Welcome to DJH Prestige and Sports, where we've just acquired this absolutely lovely and rare BMW 425 Diesel M Sport, finished in grey with a lot of gloss black pack around the car and a contrasting red interior. As you can see, front park distance control, gloss black kidney grills, alloy wheels all around the windows as well, tinted windows at the back, got the blue M Sport calipers, rear park distance control, twin exhaust, nice lip spoiler, absolutely stunning condition. As you can see, at DJH we photograph and video all the cars outside because it's better light, but all the cars are kept inside our showroom for viewing. Got a reverse camera, boot areas in gorgeous condition, and then we get to the piece de la resistance, which is the lovely contrasting interior. Really looks absolutely fantastic. This car stand out. Got automatic headlights, M Sport steering wheel, paddle shift on the gearbox. Just start the car up. So 89895 miles. Got 3-stage heated seats for passenger and driver. To the menu, reverse camera, park pilot, satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, full media system with DAB, different driving styles, got aux and a USB, Harman Kardon, quite a few other extras that I probably haven't mentioned, cruise control. DJH have full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.